Hello everyone. I'm teacher Teresa Furtado. I'm teaching at St. Joseph's Educational Institute, Chandor in South Goa, in Salsid Taluka. I'm here with my students, in fact, to get a very much in detail idea about the traditional fishing that is happening in Goa, fishing activity. Now, why we have thought of this is we are actually working as a part of our project. But more than that, we have experienced recently in the past 2 years the national education policy that has been implemented in our state. And as a part of this, our 9th standard students and 10th standard students this year have been experiencing the learning of NSQF subjects under which they have agriculture. Now, to learn this agriculture, what I personally feel is, sitting in the classroom, it's not possible for us to teach the students. These are subjects which are implemented basically to get an hands-on experience and inside experience. So wherein the students are supposed to be coming on field. If it's fishing, they have to come to the area where the fishing is basically done. Whatever, irrespective of whatever time it is. Early morning, we move out at early morning. If it's late in the evening, we move out at late in the evening. And our students, let them experience the process of fishing. Let them experience how the catch is being brought to the shore, how it is being separated, how the fishes are segregated, what are the different types of fishes that they get to catch during different seasons, and what are the parameters or what are the factors that affects the fishing tradition, and what exactly the young generation can bring about in the future, and how can they improve upon this traditional method so that this traditional activity is being preserved and it is being taken care in the many more generations to come. So with this motive, we have come with this very small group, but after getting this good session by Mr. Pele, we have a greater plan for a bigger session for a round of class of, let's say, around 100 plus students. Today we have just come with 4 students, but maybe by end of this year we plan for a better session, in detail session for around 100 plus students for our 9th standard and 10th standard presently who are experiencing the NSQF subject of agriculture under NED. Thank you.
Thank you so much.